Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
U MLA balasya suspend jaga seng Congress uba mikmat yaka West Shillong constituency uba Mahendro Rapsang haka sengiba ar ka arfulai tarik unailar arajar arfu ar ula sanga teng ya unong yalam jaga seng UDP uba polengdo uba longru u MLA barim Halor ke jingkeno ba ula don bentalang haka ba shim ya karai ban penken riak no ya ki brieu ki basyong basa ha sweepers colony na them yo maulong sha RP Chest Hospital kabadan hak shnong mauba Shillong. Hagajing ekren bat gilat pathai kubor uba Rapsang ulaong ba umdan benta ai ruem ban shim ya kani karai na ba umdai satia menteri hapo ke sorkar jela nrei usuai ke jingkersian ya ke sorkar kumbalong lem ki weipat ki sengsan perthai ki ba ai jingkersian ya ke sorkar.
Nothing to it. Polengo should know one thing. I'm not a cabinet minister. I'm just supporting the government from side like all other parties supporting the government. Decision making for the shifting, it depends entirely on the government. I'm not part and parcel of the decision making in that for shifting of Harijan to my constituency. But I stand with the Darbasno. We strongly oppose this move by the government for relocation in my constituency. But I'll tell you one thing. It will be a very strong decision making by me when 2023 comes, when I'm there as a minister. That will be a decision making by me.